Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another daily life vlog. So I'm starting off with some black coffee. This is a pre-workout. Of course, I didn't film anything at my workout. Coming back home, I was so tired and super hungry, so I decided to make myself these sandwiches. I just had one and one I took with me for lunch. And of course, with that, you need to have coffee. This is like a mandatory sort of a thing. So I made myself a coffee. This is like with milk. So before workout I have without milk, and after workout I have with milk. The very same day we decided to go to have sizzler. So I think a couple of days back I had gone with my mother, and then my brother was craving it, so we decided to go again in that very week. And I believe it was like Friday. So we went to this place called Yana Sizzlers. I've been going there since 2013. The main branch was actually in Kalyani Nagar, but now this one is in MG Road Camp in Pune, if you know. They have some amazing sizzlers and we are vegetarians, so you find some really good delicious food. And because it takes time, there are some fun games that you can play. So yeah, I was patiently waiting, and then we finally got our sizzler. It was so delicious. Like, if I can go back right now again, I would definitely go and have it. And here's a little clip of me. The very next day, I think the next day, or probably, yeah, it was actually the next day, I went to gym and I actually ran a lot on the treadmill. I don't know what's up with this time lapse, but whatever it is, that's what I did. And yeah, it was basically weekend, enjoying a lot. I'm just painting my nails, just file them, and I know you guys will ask, I'm using the Nika Insta-Like nail paint in the shade 357. I'm sure there is some name to it. It's just okay, yeah, here it is. It's called Nature Escape. And while I'm painting my nails, I'm watching some updates on electoral bonds. Basically this entire thing going on right now. Before that I was doing my planning session, so there is like all stickers and all here, but yeah. So I just did my nails and they look really pretty. It's just I don't know how to show you guys my nails properly. And also this ring has become really loose, and please ignore my bed. I'm gonna clean it up today. I was like working on my planner since morning. So this ring, okay, used to be like the perfect size, but now it's become a bit loose. And this is a very special ring because it's my dadi's ring, and yeah, I mean she's no more with us, but means a lot to me. And yeah, so this is this beautiful color that I just showed you guys, and in the background you can hear my mom talking to her friend because today is Holi and we're gonna go down for that Holika thing, and she's just having a chit chat about it, whatever. Hey guys, I just wore this very pretty simple outfit because I'm going down for the Holika Dhan. I haven't done any makeup, just some lip gloss, and yeah, I'm ready. So just to show you, this is what I'm wearing. I have shown this before in like a couple of my videos, and this was like extremely tight before. Not like extremely, it was like proper fitting, but now it's so loose and comfy and I'm really happy. So this is on a Sunday. I usually don't go to workout on Sundays, it's an off, but I decided to go and burn some calories because I was craving Maggi, and I was like, you know what, Himani, you can devour your Maggi, but first thing you have to do on a Sunday morning is to go to gym, and the trainer doesn't come on Sunday, so I just went, did some cardio, and yeah, that's what I did. And I also did some like high intensity workout, like some sort of a exercise set. And then for lunch I made myself some super veggie loaded Maggi. This is a little extra, I know guys, but that's how I had it. First, we're sauteing some garlic and onion. Once that's done, I'm gonna add broccoli. Yes, I'm adding broccoli and peas in my Maggi, and it tastes good. So I've added here peas and broccoli, sauteing it, and then we're gonna add some capsicum and carrots. Very, very important. So it's like a super veggie loaded Maggi. Once that's done, add some boiling water and of course your Maggi noodles. So I'm gonna let that simmer in for a while and top it up with the Maggi masala. This was a really filling Maggi. If you're someone who wants to have Maggi with lots of veggies, then go for a gym workout in the morning and help yourself with this super delicious Maggi. So yeah, I do not like to follow diets. I feel like balance is key. So that's what I did. I had this Maggi while watching Harry Potter. Harry Potter is like a comfort, series. Then I was filming this coffee video, which will come in the coming months. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. So yeah, I just filmed this video. So I'm just back from a workout. It was legs day today. So yeah, super tired. But yeah, let's go home. Hey guys, so I am actually working on a mood board. If you guys don't know what a mood, I'm sure, if you follow me, you definitely know what a mood board is, but I'm working on a mood board and I love making mood boards for people. I love making like inspirations, how the aesthetics would turn out to be, yada yada. It's super fun. I'm doing this for one of my clients and it's a freelance work, guys. So I'm doing this for her and she's a very young, pretty, very nice girl, and I'm making a mood board for her grid. So that's what I'm doing. At this point, while I'm editing the vlog, I feel like I have overdosed you guys with caffeine because the amount of time I'm showing you guys coffee. So basically I was sitting to work on my April planning, the pending ones. So I made myself a nice warm cup of coffee. And by the way, this is the Beanley strawberry shortcake coffee, which tastes amazing as black coffee. So you should try it. I'll leave the link below. It's like a very different kick. And I really enjoy Beanley coffees when it comes to like making myself a cup of black coffee. So I took this and started off with my planning. And here is Simba. He was just like looking at me randomly. So yeah, I sat for planning. And yeah, you can see March because I was working on March reflections first. And yeah, my vlogs are so behind. I really can't help it. The fact that I'm trying to figure out things and find the balance is only a big thing for me at this point. But yeah, I hope you all enjoy these kind of vlogs that I've been putting up lately, and your feedbacks are always welcomed. So I was working on my monthly reflections for March and then started off with some April planning as well. You know what? I really have something to say over here quickly. I used to be called out a lot during my college days for planning, and people used to tell that, it's not going to help you. You're just wasting time. What are you going to get by writing things down in a planner? But at this point of my life, I feel like I'm so grateful that I took this decision of not listening to people and just doing what really makes me happy. And planning is a very big thing for me because I get so much of clarity. So yeah, it's just a little advice. First, try things out on your own and then take advice from people. So yeah, this was the vlog for today.